In this movie, we'll speak about stacked wall. Take care when you go to Architecture tab. In the wall, this is the name wall is family. In the Revit, he gave this a name is a family. If I click here, just I click here and make down in this drop, he write basic wall and curtain wall and stacked wall. The name of curtain wall or stacked wall or basic wall is type. Now you have family is the wall and basic wall and curtain wall and stacked wall named by type. And this one exterior or curtain wall 1 or exterior brick, this is the name of wall. So if you come here and make highlight for this one, he give you down wall, this is the family, and give you basic wall, this the type of the wall, and exterior, this is the name of the wall. So every wall in the Revit have 3 chapters to define by it. The family as a wall, the type as basic wall, curtain wall, stacked wall, and the name under every one from this. Okay, if you select this is basic wall and we speak about it. If you go here and edit type and go to edit from here, if you make any change here in this layers, it will be appear on every wall in the model. But if you need make only this type or make a new type from this, you must go here and make duplicate first because you change anything. Okay, we speak about this before in the how to draw the wall and the Revit. But if you go edit here, take care, here is the function, and here he give you the layers inside the same wall. I have only one wall in the basic wall, I have only one wall, and this wall have function from what consists of the core, the C highlight, and this types. And you can change thickness from here and the material from here, as you know, or you can change from here and enter to change the material like this. I will cancel here now. From here you can make some change here and we will speak about it in another video. But this basic wall, take care, function, material, thickness. If I cancel here and I need to go to stacked wall as this one and click here, take care, this is our one simple one. If I duplicate here and can make 2, it will be appear here now. If I go here, take care, here not function, here the name of the what, the wall, and all of this is what is basic wall. Say this is the name of basic wall. So if you need to make your custom stacked wall and you need custom shape for basic wall, you must go basic wall first and make edit for it and duplicate and make all modify a change inside it. After this you can put in the stacked wall. I come here and this, say I cancel to, I will make edit here. As example, if I need this one, take care, I can change as I need. Take care, this one I can change as I need and I can insert, but take care, when I insert, he insert above what you select. I make delete, take care. If I make generic this one and make insert, he will put above what you select, as you say. After this you can change as you need. Here is the height. The height, you can give the height for this one as you need. Now I work by inch. If I go out, I make okay as example, and I go to manage to work by millimeter like this. Okay, and return here, take care, I make save, so he have a 3-1. You can make this as you need, as example, take care, just I make it. Okay, this variable, at least one of them is a variable because he will take this dimension and this dimension and make sum of the two, and according to the level you will put out, he will make this variable. So I will take this only 1. Okay, if I need to move this, I can move down. If I need this to be variable, and I can make this the same thing from here or here. If you work like this, it will have a problem because the thickness is not okay. You can work with thickness from here is offset. If you make this by minus, or you can put by minus or by negative. Take care, just I make this, he makes this. If you need this shape for you is okay. Also you can make a change from here about the offset here. So when you will put offset, he need to know what is your reference. You must put your reference here. For me, I will make core like this, or wall center, I make this 0. Okay, if I need this shape, it's okay. Okay, I will select this one and go here to stack tool and make this. Here he put the shape what you need from here, as you say. If you need to make separate, this part and this part is separate, you can click on it and click here and break up. Okay, just you break up. This is one element, this other element, this 3 element. Okay, this everything we need to speak about. Stack tool. Stack tool is very important for a custom shape, and you can change as we speak. You can first make this layers as you need custom shape for a brick, for basic tool. After this you go to stack tool and enter the basic tool inside it. Thank you and see you in another video.